Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create your Facebook post graphic in Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is be in a home, then create design, and right here Facebook. You have Facebook cover, Facebook event cover, and Facebook post. So you see it here, and I don't know what else should I tell you. Probably that in the description you have a link for registering to Canva. I definitely recommend for using it. And let's say that you want to, I don't know, make a food Facebook post or birthday or summer, some motivational things. You are going to have like so many templates that you can use. But let's say that I'm going to choose, I don't know, this one, that I'm living near the sea. Okay, so enjoy incoming summer. Now you can choose also effects and make it like change the background color a little bit, but I don't like any of those. The blue is the best, I think. You have effects here that you can use. It's really up to you if you would like to use like glitch or pixelate, but I really like how it is. And when you have it, what you want to do is just easily click here. You can publish to Facebook or download it. It's really simple. Then you have photos here that you can use. What I recommend is go to more and choose pixels on Pixel or Pixabay for getting free photos. So let's say that you want to find, I don't know, summer. And you can use these photos, they are completely for free. So this is pretty great. And I recommend it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you. Have a great day.